Hi guys, Nick is here from Space. Welcome to our video series for implementation of SketchUp in architectural design workflow. Hopefully, during this time you will enjoy at the first place, you will learn something, and you will find the way how SketchUp could improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. But let's stop talking and go ahead to see the topic today. Now I'm ready to go ahead and to draw a new reference lines, a new guides for our windows and exterior doors. So in order to do that, at first, as you can see, I cannot recognize very easily where are my windows and from where to where and the size of these windows. So in order to have a clear space to work, I'm going to hide our window. They are locked, so I will go to our project browser, to the building folder, to the ground floor subfolder, and from here actually I can hide my external walls. Now I can see where is my exactly are my windows, from where to where, and I can draw easily a reference lines. So again I will use type measurement tool, and I will pick this edge here and we'll set the first reference lines for these windows, for example, and then I will create the second one, which should be exactly at 2000 millimeters, and now I will go, as you can see they are symmetrically, so I will go from this wall here up to this point here, and then I can tap 2000 millimeters. Now I have the first reference lines, and I can continue ahead to create all the reference lines concerning related to my windows. So now I have created all the reference lines for our windows and here for the garage door as well. So I'm ready to go ahead. At first I will unhide our exterior walls in order to see them and to see exactly where I will place our openings for our windows. And the second step will be to create some more additional reference lines in order to know exactly where to place our openings. So I will do that by using again a type measurement tool, and I will create these reference lines for here, this corner up to here, and then from here to this reference lines here, and then this one up to this one. And now I'm going to create two more, because our windows will be allocated at the 200 millimeters above the zero level, above the ground floor. So I will create this reference line here, and our windows will be 2400 in height. So I will tap this dimension here, and now I have a clear rectangle where, from these reference lines, where I can place my opening. So in order to create my opening, I will go again to 1001 bit toolbar, and I will pick the opening from here, and now I can adjust the size of this opening. It should be 2000 millimeters in width and 2400 in height. So now I can create this opening by using our reference lines. Double click for the first layer of the wall, again double click for the second layer of our wall, and double click for the wall structural layer, and to the final one. Now actually I have clear opening for the first window, and then I'm going to create the next window, and now we have these two window openings, and we can place our windows here. In order to create these windows, I will use again 1001 bit toolbar, and here I have an option to create a window frame, and later on to add some window panels to this frame. But before to start, I would like to measure from where to where will be the thickness of our window, or the depth of this window. So I will use again a type measurement tool, and our window will go from this line which represent the starting point of our finishes, up to this line here, which represent actually the starting point of our interior finishes. So I will measure from this line to this line. It's exactly 350 millimeters. So the depth of our window will be 350 millimeters, and the window frame will be 50 millimeters. So I can start creating this window frame, and as you know, I have to start from a face, so I'm going to create at first the face for this window frame, and I will create a window frame from this face by using here a 1001 bit tool. So I'm going to create by using rectangle tool, I will create this window, this face here. I will select the face, and then I can go to this button here, create a window frame, and now I'm ready to create a window frame. Here again you have three types of window: the rectangle, the simple rectangle frame, frame with beveled edges, and rectangular frame with extruded edges. So I will adjust the depth of our frame. It will be 350 millimeter, and the frame width is 50 millimeters, and this extrusion will be 20 millimeters, and bevel extrusion, which is also 20 millimeters. I will place back of this face my window frame, so I can click create window frame, and now I have it. But I would like this frame to be in a different location, so I will use move tool to move it a little bit up to this line here, exactly. Now I will create some window panels here, but at first, as you can see, actually this frame is grouped, and into this group actually this tool allows me to create a window if I want, but I don't want, so I will delete this part of our window frame. I will exit from this group, and now I'm ready to create window panels here. So at first I have to create by using rectangular tool. I have to create a face from which I will create my window panels. So I can pick this face and go here to 1001 bit toolbar, and I will use divide selected faces into panels, similar as a door. But now I will use the first type, rectangular frame, and I want to, this time I don't want to have rows. For that reason I will set 1 here, and I would like to have 2 columns, so the number here will be 2. The frame depth will be 150 millimeters. The frame width will be the same as the window frame, 50 millimeters, and I will leave the rest of this. Actually, no, I will create here. I can set the divider with this divider, which will divide my windows into 2 parts, and here I can set this to 20 millimeters, and here again 20 millimeters. I will place these window panels back of this face. So now I will take this button, and I have a perfect windows exactly on place. So again, as you can see, we have our wrong faces, but by using push-pull tool easily I could create a thickness for this glass as well to correct the faces. So I will use the push-pull tool in a copy mode, and let's say the 20 millimeter will be the thickness of this glass, and for this as well, and I can go and assign a glass material to these panels. So here is my material, and I will assign this material to these glasses. Now we have a clear window with our window frame placed exactly where it should be, and the final step will be to create a component actually for these windows in order to use it several times and to assign a tag to our component. So I have to select all the parts of this window. By right-clicking with the mouse I can make a component, and this component, the name will be window 2000 millimeters by 2400 millimeters. I can click create, and now I have this component which is listed here, and I will assign a tag to this component, and this tag will be from our project browser. Here we have a main folder called Windows, and I have a subfolder or tag called ground floor Windows 04.2. I can go to the tag list and I will find 04.2 ground floor Windows. Now I can lock my window and I'm ready to continue to create all these windows around my walls. So for now we are finished with our windows and entrance door and so on, and we are ready to go ahead and to create a final layer, the finishing layer of our floors. And as well later on we will create our ceilings above each room. And in order to start in a clear way, I will delete again all these reference lines, the guides. I will go to edit and I will delete the guides. So now we are ready to continue ahead and to create our floor finishes, and they will be 75 millimeters thicker. And as you can see, I made a mistake here with these interior walls, because actually they should be 75 millimeters above the zero level, and I placed these walls, these doors exactly at level 0, so I have to move them with 75 millimeters above the level 0. If I move, -75 millimeters, As you can see, we have some issue here with the openings, the door opening, because we are created this opening at exact size. So now I have to resolve this issue, and the easiest way is to create additional opening for this door. In order to do that, I will use again a reference line, and by using type measurement tool, I will create a reference line here and as well here. Then I can hide this door for a moment, and I can go back to our tool for opening, and I can create this opening right now into the wall. Double clicking, and the final layer is here. So now we have extend actually our opening. Go to edit and unhide the last. Now our door is placed correctly, and I'm going to do the same with these two walls. And now actually I have my opening extended, and I could unhide my doors and can move them to the appropriate place here. So as you can see, now actually we are ready to start drawing our floor finishes. So we are ready for now, and we can go ahead to the next stage of our project. See you there.